Hi everyone, in this video we'll show you how to install VIGI bullet and turret cameras and the VIGI NVR, and introduce VIGI management methods. Let's open the packages first. Inside you'll find the products including the VIGI C300 C400 series and the VIGI 8-channel NVR. You'll also see some accessories. Next, let's install the cameras and NVR. By the end, your system should resemble this topology. To install C300HP, a mounting bracket is required. Step 1. Connect the cables based on the installation location and supply power. If you install it outdoors, use a waterproof cable attachments to protect the network interface. First, route the network cable through the components in order. Second, fix the O-ring to the network interface and connect the network cables. Third, attach a network interface with the jacket, then twist to lock. Fourth, insert the waterproof ring into the waterproof jacket. Rotate the fix nut to secure it to the jacket. If you don't require waterproofing, simply connect the network cable directly. If you power on the camera via an adapter, connect the power cord. If via PoE, just connect the network cable. Step 2. Select a place and fix the bracket to the wall or ceiling. Secure the camera on the mounting bracket and adjust the surveillance angle as needed. Step 3. Connect the camera to a switch and power it on via a PoE switch or adapter. Next up is C400HP. It can be mounted on the wall or ceiling. Step 1. Stick the mounting template to the desired mounting place. Drill 3 or 4 holes, taking into account your specific situation. Insert 3 anchors. Step 2. Align the notch of the camera body with a score and use a screwdriver to open the base. If you drilled 3 holes, slot the cable through the side outlet. If you drilled 4 holes, route it through the wall or ceiling. Use screws to affix the camera base and attach the camera to it. Adjust the surveillance angle as needed. Make sure the lens is positioned above the IR LED for normal viewing. Step 4. Connect the camera to a switch and power it on via a PoE switch or adapter. To install the NVR, prepare a 3.5-inch hard disk drive. Step 1. Remove the fixing screws on the side and back panels to open the cover. Step 2. Attach the 4 included HDD screws to your hard drive. Do not fasten. Step 3. Match the 4 screws on the HDD with 4 holes on the NVR and insert the HDD interface into the slot. Step 4. Flip the NVR upside down and fasten the HDD screws. Replace the cover and fasten the screws of the NVR. Step 5. Connect your monitor to the HDMI or VGA port. Connect the network devices and USB mouse to your NVR. power on the NVR. After installation, manage the cameras and NVR for further monitoring. 3 management methods are provided. Method 1. Via VIGI NVR. Build your network and manage your cameras all through your connected NVR. You can view, store, and play back videos on the monitor, and no additional equipment is required. Method 2. Via VIGI Security Manager. With VIGI Security Manager, you can control your security system from the desktop or laptop. Bind your devices to a TP-Link ID so that you can protect your business and manage devices at home. Method 3. Via VIGI app. With the VIGI app, you can manage your security from the palm of your hand. If events are detected, you can get instant alerts on your mobile devices to take action in time. Also, it supports remote management with your TP-Link ID. For the detailed configuration wizard, please go to www.tplink.com/support. Thank you.